last pile here, and let's see if we can get some more rares. Banks, Detachment, Spur to Battle, and here you go. Sword Rack. Response: if an Rohan possession is discarded from play and no more than one possession is stacked here, stack it here. Fellowship: add one twilight to play a possession stacked here as is from hand. So you add one twilight to play it in addition to the cost. It's a nice card and it goes well with some of the possession discarding builds like that card. And it's only been rare foils, not in other foils. I wonder if that's something. I don't really know. Fearsome, Relentless, Patroller, Battle of the Last, Strength in Shadows, Squad of Urk-hai, and Tyrannical Urk. I love the condition cards. Feels like enchantments in Magic or stuff like that. It's nice to have those mechanics. Hated is Hated Stirred, Bladed Gauntlets, Fortitude, and Highest Quality. I love the name. Exert a number of Gondor companions who have total resistance of 12 or more to make a minion skirmishing a Gondor companion strength -3 for each companion exerted. That's amazing. I mean, that's really good. Why am I wrong? Seems like super good. I mean, you should always play all of this. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Mountain Orc, column, final account, Orcish, that name, and Mordor Schmittar. I want more of this one, because I mean, in a skirmish you can really destroy Nazguls or Lurts or anything that's just big and evil. Bound to its fate, frenzied attack, no end of wickedness, and a strange looking man. It's just the weirdest image. Maneuver: exert its minion to transfer a possession or condition borne by a character to another label bearer. So that's nice to destroy or like change. Yeah, that's some nice stuff. Relentless Urk, Squad, Forging, Inspiration, Patroller, Sentinel, and Sortie. We have a Sam. We have a Rory Mount, Armor of the Citadel, and the Witch King. Captain of the Nine Riders, Fierce, Toil plus Toil 2, and Muster. This is a great card to actually just stop a fellowship. It feels like Horde of Harad, Entrapping Orc, Crouch Down, On Guard, Incognito, and a Champion. Would love that one in foil. Maybe now, we will see. Riddermark Javelin, Ramir Mount, Intimidating Urk, and a Furious Urk. Urk-hai. Damage 1. While this minion is assigned to a skirmish, each companion and 3 people of possession lose this special ability. That's a nice card. So you want him, he really negates a whole turn of fighting. Because it doesn't say the one he skirmishes, all the skirmishes going on. So that's nice against maybe a Rohan or a Gondor with, or a Gimli, well, stack. So that seems like a really good tech card, and it's really cheap, even early and of course late. Patrol Urk-hai, our foes are weak, relentless, entrapping, Cutthroat Orc. Nice tech card to go with maybe alerts, and then just have it all just trashed. Axe of Khazad-dûm, Dark Wings, Theoden, and we have a rare, the One Ring. I don't think I had this before, I'm not sure. Response: if the ring bearer is about to take a wound, he or she wears the One Ring until the regroup phase. While the ring bearer is wearing the One Ring, each time he or she is about to take a wound, add a burn instead. +2 resistance. Patrol of Urk-hai. Okay, I want that ring now in foil, of course. Because I don't have many special rings. I have the basic one, mostly. The End of Weakness, Mountain Homestead. To play, spot 2 dwarf companions while fellowship is a mountain, each one is strength +2. That's nice. Orvan and a beastly urk-hai. That's a nice card. Damage +1 fierce. To play, spot a minion, assignment. Exert its minion to assign it to companion being an artifact. Right, so you can basically control. I don't think the ring is an artifact. Probably not. Yeah, but then you can decide a bit more. Patrol of urk-hai, long battle bow, fearsome, relentless, patroller, battle, and strength in shadows. We are going to the last packs here now of this nice display. This is my last display of Lord of the Rings. I have some random booster packs that will be in another video. Well, quite a lot of random booster packs, but not in a sealed format. XMen of Herald. Wow. Laugh spell. That's how you say it. To play, spot a elder minion. Bear must be a companion while it's skirmishing a minion. Bear loses from possession. That's kind of like the same. Fallen Lord and Gamling Rare. Defender of Hornburg. At the start of your fellowship phase, you may add 1 twilight to play a possession. Yeah, that's great with the sword rack, and then you have like a whole Rohan thing going on here. Master commands it, commons. So what is the average? 6 foils in a display. If you have each 6-pack is can or may contain a foil. Blade of Linden, New Awakened, Overpower Urk, Oathsorn. At the start of your maneuver phase, if you have 2 or more cards in hand, you may spot and discard from your hand to add 8. Discard your hand. Huh. Don't really know how what you do with those 8 twilights. You maybe hope that you can have a regroup phase, I guess, and then have more twilights to play. Common cards. So if anyone knows how this is supposed to be utilized in the best way, please comment, because I would like to learn. Hill Orc, Lead Astray, Surrounded by Wraiths, and the Pale Blade. Nice. The bear must be an asshole. If the bear is a Witch King, each time he wins a skirmish, you may exert him to add a burden. That's just nice. Schmidars and commons. So last 2 packs. What can it be? The nice spell, Damn Gate Stream, Squad, and of course a foil rare. Nice. Undisciplined, 8. Toil 3. Assign a minion to a companion. Nice. That's kinda cheap. And you have control it. And it's in an assignment, but it's not the ring bearer. But that's just nice to be able to have a controlling part there. Strength in Shadows, Farin, Horde, Sentinels. Okay, last pack. We are on a good way to get our 6 foils, so that's okay, I guess. Mountain Homestead, Lost in the Woods, Sam, and an Armored Easterling. Relentless Urk, Squad, Forging, Inspiration, Patroller, Sentinel, and a Swarty. So nice. A lot of cards that I find interesting. Uncommons, a nice diversity of foils, and the ring. Yeah, I think this was a good pack, or a good display. I mean, the Witch King and his blade. This guy who seems just really good. And the whole Smeagol discard golem thing going on. And Lurtz, just because it's Lurtz. Yeah, and Sting. Nice. So I think it's a good pack and good displays for me. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you next time.